Welcome to the Microservice Architecture course. In this course, we are going to develop design patterns of microservices architecture, which is the API Getway pattern. Let's look at what is the API Getway pattern and what scheme our final application will have. There are an infinite number of communication patterns. We will implement the simplest and most common scheme. As you can see, we have a client that will communicate with our services via the REST protocol. Communication between services will be carried out through the Rabbit broker using the RPC protocol. Consider the project structure that we get at the output. In best practice, we will use a modular pattern divided into layers: controller, model, service, validation. In this way, we increase the readability, scalability, and collaborative development of our code. One of the important part of development is documenting our API. In order to simplify the communication between developers, we will write documentation using the Swagger module. As a result, we will have all API endpoints in one place, which is incredibly convenient for both the team and new programmers who will come to our project. The monitoring system will have an access point. Here we implement the view of all users and their management, deleting, creating, editing. System logging is a very important part of development. We must understand and track all errors and warnings in our application. Different categories will help us understand what is happening at the moment. We also need to monitor our message broker. Track how much memory and what load is in the queue. In the services section, we can track the status of each process, service. View CPU usage, event loop, and more to understand the state of processes. If we need to look at the database, we can open any table via the admin module. Service scaling is a bonus to the course. We will look at several scaling methods. Also make a small load script and distribute it so that the system does not block. With the help of additional process monitoring utilities, we will monitor the processor and load. If you want to learn how to create web projects of varying complexity, make your dream startup, or just understand modern web development, I will be happy to help you. See you soon.